Nestled at the top of the world lies a land where mountains breathe, culture lives, and spirituality flows in every direction. Stone giants rise as clouds paint shadows across living ice. Annapurna's walls unfurl like ancient pages kissed by light. Glacial veins braid turquoise paths through misted valleys. Prayer flags flutter, steps hum with courage over void. This is Nepal, the gateway to the mighty Himalayas, home to the highest peaks on earth and landscapes shaped by time itself. Morning breath turns to gold as yaks trace memory. Terraces glow, hands and hills write tomorrow's harvest. Craft becomes prayer, textures sing of patient seasons. In these remote valleys, life moves with the rhythm of nature, simple, peaceful, grounded, and filled with stories whispered by the mountains. Color spins, drums answer, joy gathers like fire. Horns call the dawn, incense carries whispered devotion. Stories rest in eyes, jewelry ringing with sunlight. Each mantra turns, releasing hopes into warm air. Here, culture isn't just celebrated. It's lived. Every prayer, every festival, every melody echoes centuries of tradition. Circles of faith ripple around the Stupa's calm heart. Wood and craft remember fingertips shaping home. At the river, flames sway, reflecting heaven and earth. In the heart of Kathmandu, the divine and the earthly meet. Ancient temples stand timeless, watching over the people with quiet grace. We climb by breath and heartbeat, nearer to sky. Wings catch thermals, the lake mirrors brave arcs. Cold water carves thunder, guiding paddles through silver. Wheels trace dust lines along the edge of wonder. For adventurers, Nepal is not just a destination, it's a calling. A place where every path leads to discovery. On the summit, silence speaks. Flags translate wind into prayer. And when you leave this land, a part of it stays with you forever. Nepal, where the mountains touch the sky, and the soul finds peace. As twilight settles, ranges fade to memory, yet promise returns with every dawn. Nepal remains, steady as breath, bright as first light.